Never stare at this due to repeated failed login attempts message on Snapchat and feel locked out of your digital world? Don't worry. If repeated login attempts have temporarily locked your Snapchat account, we've got a clear path to getting you back in. Let's dive into how to fix this common Snapchat login error. First, the most direct route: password recovery. On the Snapchat login screen, look for a link that says "Forgot password" or something similar. Tap on that. Snapchat will then ask you to confirm your identity, usually by providing your username, email address, or phone number associated with your account. Enter the correct information accurately. You'll receive an email or an SMS message with a link or a code to reset your password. Open that message and follow the instructions carefully. Create a strong, new password that you haven't used before. It's a good idea to mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Once your password is reset, head back to the Snapchat login screen and try logging in with your new credentials. You should now have access to your account. If that didn't work, or you're still facing issues, let's consider some common troubleshooting steps. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes cause login problems. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. Ensure your phone's date and time are set correctly. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes interfere with app functionality, including logins. Also, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can have bugs that are resolved in newer releases. Sometimes, clearing the app's cache can resolve persistent issues. You can usually find this option in your phone's app settings under Snapchat. By following these steps, you should be able to bypass that frustrating repeated failed login attempts message and get back to snapping. If you continue to experience problems, reaching out to Snapchat support directly is your next best step. Stay connected.